The title of my project is ScreenSleuth, and I will briefly talk about the motivation behind this project. Um, so I have a lot of CCTV cameras at my house, and then often what happens is I want to check for a certain event, something happens, and then what I have to do is I have to sift through the footage, look at hours and hours of footage to look for something specific, and that motivated me to come up with come up with a program or a project that can automatically do it for me. So uh, this is ScreenSleuth. What it does is you upload or you pass in a video file, typically a CCTV footage, and you describe what you're looking for, and then you hit analyze, and it finds that specific scene in the video for you. Um, Now, how it does that is it uses a neural network model and an approach called YOLO, and this exact model that it uses is YOLO 11N, and there are a bunch of things that does. So first, CCTV footages are really long, really huge files. Um, if you were to process or if you were to pass in all that pixel information to this model, it will take a lot of time, and but it doesn't have to, because most of the information that is contained in a video file is not relevant for the purpose of this project. It's not that much information is not required. For example, the resolution, if it's a 4K resolution or an HD resolution, is not required to detect whatever we are trying to detect. Similarly, 30 frames every second or 60 frames every second is not required, because in human scale things happen much slower. So uh, one frame a second, or in fact 1 frame every 2 seconds, is also enough to extract what we want, whatever we want to extract. So what I did was, whenever you upload a large file, what will this program do is it will uh, look for, it will downsample the file first. For example, this is the slider that lets you control that. If it's a if it's, you can adjust the slider and decide the size of the quality, the resolution of the video that you want to process. And then similarly, if you want to control the frame rate, what you can do is you can adjust that through this slider. So that's 0.5 frames a second, that's 1 frame a second, that's 2 frames, and you can increase or decrease it as you'd liked. You can also, like, if you kind of have an idea where that specific event began, and a specific portion of the video file that you want to look at, you don't have to crop the video file. You just upload here, and specify the time frame of the start and the end minute. So you upload that file, and then you just describe it. It will create this program creates images out of your video file based on these parameters that you pass, and on those images, if it detects these tags, it gives you an output. So the confidence, then how confident the model is in a given picture, if it has detected the tag that you have mentioned, and you can adjust that back and forth. So as a demo, this is a stock footage that I found online. Yeah, so I passed it there, and then I specify. So this is a footage of someone stealing a bike from someone's house. So person and bike, right? And then I think 0.5 is good enough for this. Processing width, I'll do 40 is good, and then let's do pretty high confidence, and then let's hit analyze, and it does the analysis for you. it's a bit, yeah, it's a bit slow. I mean, the file is also pretty huge. It's 70 megabytes, so maybe we can, reduce this. It'll be even more fast. So there we go. Um, so these are all the timestamps where it has actually detected people and bikes, and this is the most prominent one. And if you play it, you'll see, you don't need to watch the full video. You just directly see people, some people in a bike, and they're trying to steal it. So that's about it. Thank you.